Controversy is brewing after the government's decision to lift a zero-tolerance ban on ractopamine, a leanness-enhancing additive found in US pork imports. On Monday, Health Minister Chen Shih-chung defended the safety profile of ractopamine, saying he would have no problem eating US meat imports himself. Chen was speaking in a radio interview with pundit Clara Chou. When asked what was to be gained from the new policy, Chen said it was a change to Taiwan's international status.
你敢吃有莱克多巴胺的猪肉吗？你说你要以身作则，
没有问题了。
Asked if he'd be willing to eat US pork and beef containing ractopamine, the health minister said it would not be a problem. In the wake of Tsai lifting import rules on US meat, questions have been raised about the political calculus behind it.
换一个在台湾在国际的地位了。
It helps to change Taiwan's international status. Where does status come from? It comes from mutual respect. On the basis of science, we practice mutual respect. If Taiwan cannot even do that, then how can Taiwan raise its status?
Chen said the new policy was about changing Taiwan's international status. He denied the allegation that the transaction would harm public health.
我们好几辈子都吃不到那个量了。
We would not be able to eat that amount over several lifetimes. Eating one piece absolutely would not do it. Eating 33 pieces a day for a lifetime or 5 to 10 years, nothing would happen to you. And how could you eat 33 pieces? And the risk is even lower than that, because it's not like you would go out of your way to buy US pork and beef and specify that you want meat containing ractopamine.
Following the new policy, the Food and Drug Administration released a risk report based on the most extreme scenario, that of all pork products containing the maximum level of ractopamine residue. According to the FDA, a woman who has just given birth can safely eat 2 pig kidneys and 2 pig livers and still remain within the bounds of acceptable risk. But despite the official report, rumors linger that the US Health Secretary Alex Azar is connected to an American ractopamine manufacturer. It said that during Azar's recent visit to Taiwan, lobbying for market access was on the agenda. Health Minister Chen denied it on Monday.
I feel that discussing this is absurd. There is no such thing. When Secretary Azar came to talk to me, he did not mention any issue related to this at all.
Amid the pandemic, Health Minister Chen is facing the fresh test of US meat imports. He's taken to the front line to defend the policy and to assure the public of food safety.